Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change the language in your GoDaddy website. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along. Changing the language settings on your GoDaddy account is a straightforward task, although it requires navigating through several steps in the GoDaddy interface. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to GoDaddy's homepage. Once you're there, look for the menu in the top right corner and click Sign In to access your account. This step is crucial as it allows you to modify your account settings, including the language options. If your login details are saved in your browser, you might be automatically logged in, which simplifies this step. After signing in, the next task is to locate the language settings. This part can be a bit tricky as the option isn't immediately obvious. You might encounter some intermediary pages designed to showcase other GoDaddy services. While these might be distracting, focus on finding options like Skip to Main Content to bypass unnecessary sections. Your aim is to reach your main account dashboard. Once there, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll typically find the regional language settings. Look for something similar to United States English or your current region and language setting. Click on this setup, and a list of available languages and regions will appear. For example, if you wish to switch to Italian, search for Italia Italiano in the list. Selecting your preferred language will automatically update the language settings for your GoDaddy account, allowing you to interact with the interface in the language you choose. Remember, this change only affects the GoDaddy interface and not the content of your website. And that's it! You're now ready to navigate GoDaddy's site in a language that suits you best. Enjoy the improved accessibility and comfort as you manage your website.